Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Highlander LE. This is a 4-door, 8-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in pre-dawn gray mica. And under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include a rear spoiler, automatic headlights, and power mirrors that have integrated signal lights for a blend of sports style and convenience. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Highlander has to offer. Helping us into our Highlander LE, we have our key fob. It's got the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. So we can press the unlock button once and it'll unlock the driver's side door. Twice will unlock all four, and we do have our indicator just on our mirror as well. So this is a heated mirror as well. We'll open it up. Then we can check out our door. Our driver's side door is very nice here. We have some nice brown detailing right here. We have our window buttons, lock and unlock and window lock, plus we have our mirror adjust as well. And then just on the seat, we have our easy adjustable seat right there. Plus we have our all-weather mats, and we have our rain sensing windshield wipers. So we'll grab a seat and we'll get this thing started. And there we have it. We have our nice multi-information display in the middle of our instrument cluster as well. So just using the right hand side of the steering wheel, I'm going to be cycling through a couple readouts. And there we go. Lots of information. It'll tell us our sway warning. That's paired with our lane departure alert right here. In case we're swaying, maybe getting a little bit too close to the center lane, it'll let us know that it's time for a break. Using that information as you will, maybe a break is ensuing. So our instrument panel has some nice light white lights and light blue lights as well. It's not going to hurt our eyes, especially on those long maybe night road trips. The left hand side is going to help us with our entertainment system as well as hands-free calling and voice command as well. So we have our volume, our channel changer, and then our mode changer. Then just below on the right hand side are dynamic radar cruise control and our lane departure alert. So looking at our entertainment system, very easy. We have our audio, we have AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. Looking at our car will give us our consumption rates. Looking at our past record, and maybe we can notice a trend of maybe heavy footedness and changing up our driving habits to save on some gas. You can see our CD player is just right up there as well. And then we have our very easy and nice to read clock as well. Just below we have our climate system. Super simple. Press the blower, press AC, press rear, and our blow speed right here. Plus we have our heat or our cooling. The dials are super simple to use. Then we also have our defrost for the front, rear, and mirrors as well. Just below our climate system we have a nice area that we can just pop whatever we might need. Super easy, super simple. This is for our charging cords. We have just underneath here. These are our charging ports, USB, our auxiliary, and then we have our 12-volt DC outlet. Running cords up through a hole right here, coming out through this guy, and then laying them across so we don't have any sort of cord clutter or anything like that. And then just below as well we have our traction control, we have snow mode, we also have downhill acceleration control, plus we have our locking differential as well. So just south of that we have two cup holders with a removable insert, and then we have our gear shift selector with our sport mode in case you need a little more control. The center console on the Highlander, it's a push and pull. We have an extra 12-volt DC outlet in there for an extra charging port, plus we have a removable insert. It's as simple as pulling up and putting it back down. So we'll close that right up, and then we'll go a little further into the abyss and opening up our center, our glove box, a locking glove box as well in case we want to lock anything valuable inside as we exit our vehicle, keeping it safe and secure. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So looking at the back of the Highlander LE all-wheel drive, a few things here. We have our nice chrome bumper plate right there with our nice bumper as well. So we have our rear window wiper, and then we have inlay defrost in the back window as well. In order to get into our trunk. We'll press our button and lift up, and then you can see we also have our rear view camera as well. So looking in the back cargo area, our third row is down. So this is what it looks like. Lots of cargo room. This is also a 60-40 splitting second row seat as well. So in case we need anything a little bit longer, there's the ease of putting that down as well. Space on the left side here, and then we have a little bit of extra room under here as well. Plus we have all the tools we might need to change our spare tire. Now getting this third row up is as easy as can be. All we'll do is pull, and then we've set up. Next, all there's left to do is adjust the incline, pulling up and placing back. And we have now achieved comfy third row seating. Nice and easy, still have some cargo space, and you got room for 3 more passengers, and configuring as much as we need. And it's as easy as pulling these up, pushing them back down to get them right back down. Now we can close up and take a look at the back of our Highlander once more. Here we are taking a last look at our 2019 Toyota Highlander LE. Some other features include a 6.1-inch display with Siri Eyes Free and a backup camera to give you the capability you desire. But there are so many more features I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive and see for yourself. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.